Welcome back to another video. So today I'll be sharing a new Melodysusie 2-in-1 nail lamp with nail drill. So I want to share it with you and give you my thoughts on it and check it out closely, and we'll decide if it's worth purchasing or not. As well, in this video I will be doing a giveaway. Melodysusie was nice enough to sponsor a giveaway, so somewhere in this video will be the rules on how to enter, and I will be telling you later what you can win from Melodysusie. So let's get started right away looking at the 2-in-1 nail lamp and drill. This is one of their new lamps and nail drills. It's a 2-in-1, like I said, and they have such great innovative products that always come out on the market that are very reasonably priced and good quality. Now, I do use the Melodysusie Scarlet nail drill all the time with clients. I've been using it for a couple of years and no issues. So I'll open it up right away and we'll get started looking at it. So in this box is probably the handpiece. Oh, and it's such a pretty color. Now, I do know that this nail drill and lamp is classified as rose gold. I would say it looks more kind of like a purpley pink. It's so pretty though. Very nice, whereas it does say rose gold, and I do know they have this in gold as well, so you would get a totally different color. And the handpiece says Melodysusie. Now, I love their handpieces because they're never too heavy. They're just really nice to hold on to, and they don't heat up, and just a whole lot of pluses with their handpieces. And of course I'm going to have to try it out to see if this one's the same, but I'm thinking it probably is. So let's check out what else is in this box. So it looks like they have the adapter to plug it in, of course. It also comes with 50 fine sanding bands, so that's nice. I use the fine ones on the natural nail. It comes with the regular diamond bits, and the mandrel bit is probably one I'd use the most out of here as well. I'll just open it up. And I would also use the little cuticle bit there. I like those round ones, they're really good. And it looks like these are coarse sanding bands that are in this, whereas the other ones were fine. It also tells all of their bits to purchase. Now, I highly recommend buying a set of their bits. They're very good quality. Either they're ceramic or any of them for that matter. They're just a good quality bit. They've sent me them before. And of course we've got the user manual for this unit, but I pretty much know how to run it, so I'm not going to go through this with you, but it's good to know that it's in there. And now, getting to the lamp, this is the base. It's a magnetic base, and it does have the finger positions on there, so when you're putting your hand in the light, you can have your fingers in the correct spot. And it does have a protective film on it, so actually I'm just going to take that off. It really is so satisfying to remove this. And there it is. So now I'm going to move the box out of the way, and we're going to get looking at that actual lamp and drill right away. So in the box it also had a couple of the ceramic bits, and these are such good bits. Now this one is a terche cylinder medium grit bit, and I'll just open it up for you to see better. So that comes with the lamp and the drill. And it also had in the box a coarse large barrel bit. So there's that bit. Close. So this one would be more for removing bulk product, where the other one would be more once you've got the nail down, you can use the medium. So that's good that they send the nicer bits with this unit. So looking at the lamp, it's beautiful. It's probably about the same size as any other nail lamp that you may use. And I'm just going to show you from the side because that color again is absolutely gorgeous, so pretty. So it looks like on the front of the lamp, you've got the forward, the reverse. So if you're doing a left-handed or right-handed, it's got the forward and reverse. It's got the RPMs. Now this one is 30,000 RPMs. So that means it's going to be nice and strong. It's going to be a good unit. So this part is up here is for the lamp. You've got a 15-second, a 30-second timer, a 60-second, and a low heat 90-second mode. And this is where you will put the handpiece, and I will show you that right now. So that's going to go in there, and we're going to turn it around so we can see where it plugs in. So right here is where you're going to plug it in. You just got to match up the holes. The big one goes at the bottom, smaller one at the top. Just push that in, and here is where your adapter cord is going to go into, and this is your on and off button. So I'm going to put the adapter cord in here, and then we'll turn it on and look at it better. Okay, so I have the adapter plugged in now, so we're just going to turn it on, and it beeps when it turns on, and there it is. So it's on 15 seconds right now for the lamp. So I'm just going to bring it up closer and I'll explain what it all entails right away. Firstly, that this is a 60-watt lamp, and it's going to cure any product, hard gels, gel polishes, gel colors. It's going to be really good for that because it is 60 watt. I usually use a 48-watt lamp, so this is really good that it is a 60 watt. So I'm just going to attach the base. It's magnetic, like I said before, to show you. So just like that, and there it is. It's just a beautiful light. I'm going to take it off and just show you the underside of it. And as you can see, it's going to cure really nicely as it's going off because it does have sensors, but the lights are everywhere around it, so it's going to cure your thumbs and everything really well. Now I'm going to put the base back on. The handpiece goes back here. Okay, so looking at the light now it has that 15-second. And now if I click it once, it brings up 15 seconds. And if I click it again, it comes on. Now if I click it off, the sensor is going to come on, and it's going to count down from 15 seconds. So that is really nice. Now the 30-second, click it, beeps, shows 30. Click it, it comes on at 30. And then once I put my hand in, the sensor counts down for 30. Now the 60-second again, click it, comes on, click it off, put the hand in, it counts down from 60. Now the low heat mode, the 99-second, what that does is it gets your hand slowly heated up so that you don't get heat spikes. Your clients won't feel the pain of, say, you put a thick builder on. Sometimes you're going to get those heat spikes. Well, this is going to prevent that from happening. So it's going to count down slower and the temperature goes up a little slower, if that makes sense. So I really like that feature. So put my hand in and it's just slowly heating up so I don't get those heat spikes if I had a builder gel on there or even a base or whatever it might be. So that is pretty much all I have to say about the lamp. It is a beautiful lamp. It has all the features you need to have a good lamp, and it's 60 watt, which is really nice, like I had already said. Now moving on to the drill. So we've got, this is a 30,000 RPM nail drill, and that's what you want in a nail drill. That means it's going to be good quality. So I normally wouldn't use 30,000 RPMs when I'm using a nail drill, but it's nice that it has higher speeds. So we're just going to listen to the drill now and see if there's lots of vibration or if it's quieter, if it heats up. So it definitely had low vibration. You can tell it's not going to heat up. Melodysusie hand pieces are always so good for not heating up. A nice weight without that vibration is perfect. That's what you want. I did notice when I first turned it on though, for the first few numbers, nothing comes on, and then it does. It's not really going to affect anything, but just so you know, that's the way that it starts. and it does have the forward and it does have the reverse. I will just let you listen to the reverse here right away. So there it is on forward, and now reverse. So it sounds a little different, but that's good. It has that option because when I'm doing my dominant hand with my non-dominant, I need that reverse. So right away I'm going to grab one of the ceramic bits they sent with this unit, and we're going to file one of my nails and see how well this does for removal. But first I'm going to pause it because we're going to talk about the giveaway that Melodysusie is sponsoring. So they are going to give one lucky winner one gel polish that contains 8 colors plus 1 top coat. And the nice thing about this giveaway, the one winner gets to choose from all these different sets. So you get to pick which set you would like, and there's a whole bunch of different ones. You just have to click the link to see all the different sets. So the rules of the contest: number 1, follow me on Instagram, link will be in the description. Number 2, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscriptions can't be private, I will be checking. And number 3 is give me a thumbs up for this video. Number 4 is in the comments, let me know which polish set you will choose if you win. And finally, this contest is open to the US, UK, and Canada. Good luck to everyone. And thanks again to Melodysusie for sponsoring this giveaway. So to put in a bit, you have to turn it like it shows you right here, the unlock and the lock. So I unlocked it. Now this just protects the inside of the handpiece. So when you're not using it, it's always good to put this back in. So I'm going to pull that out, and I'm going to grab the cylinder medium bit. And we're going to put it into the handpiece. Now you don't ever want to push the bit all the way in. That's going to damage the inside. So leave it out a little bit, and that's perfect. And then you're going to lock it back up. So I'm just going to grab my Melodysusie dust collector. So you will see down in the description, I'll put the link to this unit. Now, when you check out the unit, you'll see that you also can purchase this with the dust collector, and it's a really good offer. It's a good deal. If you do need a dust collector, I highly recommend you purchasing both of them together because Melodysusie has really good dust collectors. I wish I would have known that before I had my expensive unit put into my desk, because these do stop a lot of the dust and they are so good. You'll see that when I'm using it. So as you saw when I did the filing, the bit removed the product so quick. I had it on about 20,000 RPMs. So that's usually the normal speed for removal. You can go a little higher if you want, but that's kind of where I stay at. And of course, I didn't show you using the lamp, but it's going to work well. It's 60 watt and it's working well, timing and everything. And I can feel the heat when I put my hand in there. So I guarantee that it is a good lamp because it is the 60 watt. And I really overall think this is very worth purchasing. And if you can afford to buy the dust collector, do that as well, because then you've kind of got everything all in one. And Melodysusie always has great products. I use them all the time. Yeah, and make sure you guys follow the rules of my contest so that you can win the polish set that they are willing to sponsor. And I will be picking the winner. I have the date down in the description when the winner will be picked. So make sure you follow the rules, and good luck to everyone. And I will see you guys all in the next one.